November the 5th is Guy Fawkes Night in the UK. This is celebrated by lots of fireworks displays throughout the country and in private homes. Magnus is not remotely scared by fireworks and is even happy to go outside while fireworks displays are going on. So it's never been a problem in the past having the displays near our home because Magnus would just simply watch us watching the fireworks. Scout, on the other hand, is very sensitive to noise. You may have seen in the earlier videos she gets scared by thunder and had big shakes last time it was a big thunderstorm. And fireworks, we think, is going to be an issue as well. I've been trying to get her accustomed to sound by playing some videos over the past few weeks, but basically tonight is basically Guy Fawkes, so we're a little bit apprehensive as how she's going to do. We have bought the thunder jacket for her, so we've been trying it on, letting her wear it when it's not thundery or any fireworks, just to get used to the jacket, so she's not associating it with bad things. We've also given Scout some Adapto tablets as well. We've put this in some pate, so she'll eat those basically a few hours before we think the fireworks are going to start. So hopefully this will help settle any nerves and anxiety that she has. So the fireworks have started, a little bit infrequent right now. Scout's been lying on the sort of front doorstep. Not too bad so far, so hopefully she does okay and she doesn't get too bothered, but she seems to be not too bad so far. Little shakes. Alright, so a little bit later on, Magnus is doing okay, but Scout is basically petrified. There's been a lot of fireworks going off. It's really starting now. We're in the kitchen, and Scout, you can see, is panting quite heavily. We have got the Adapto plugins put in as well, and we have got some music we've been playing, some anxiety music, just basically to try and hopefully make it more comfortable for her as well. But right now, she has been very, very stressed by this whole experience. Yeah, we're trying to get a blanket under Scout, but she's basically not moving around. She's just very shaky, very stressed by the whole experience. We just hope these fireworks don't go on too late, as it is quite traumatic for her. Magnus has been doing a great job trying to keep Scout calm by giving her lots of company and even pawing at Scout. So he's doing a good job trying to look after his sister here. Just wish Scout was as calm and relaxed as Magnus is with fireworks and noise, but hopefully she'll get better. So I've been trying different music with Scout to see if it can get her to calm down. We've got our separation anxiety music. I was looking online for other suggestions. Someone suggested reggae, so we tried that for a little bit. Some classical, but right now we've been playing a thing called Pet Sounds, which is on the Classic FM. They've been broadcasting on the radio some relaxing and soothing music to hopefully help animals relax and feel less stressed during the fireworks. The fireworks have been going on for several hours now. It's about basically 8 o'clock, so there's probably a couple more hours of fireworks still to go. Hopefully, Scout does better because this is really horrible to see Scout suffering like this. It's now about 9:30 at night. The fireworks are still going on. I took Magnus out for his walk, and it seemed like a little war zone out there with all the fireworks, but he wasn't bothered. But Scout, you can see, is still distressed. We've had some tips to put sort of mufflers on her ears, so we've got a little hoodie with towel in there to try and hopefully dampen the sound for Scout. But it has been a very stressful evening. Scout's doing okay now. She's upstairs. Seems a bit more relaxed than she has been. A little bit shaky still, but the fireworks have stopped now, so hopefully that'll be it for this evening and Scout can do well. But hopefully we can get this started before the fireworks next year because this has been quite traumatic for her. So we're always on the lookout for effective things to help keep our dog's teeth clean, and we found this product called Lily's Kitchen Woof Brush, which is kind of similar to a dental stick but maybe slightly healthier. ingredients inside. So it's basically for plaque removal and for fresh breath. It's got lots of natural things inside. So I thought I'd get these for the dogs to see how they like them and if they do any good in keeping their breaths fresh and their teeth clean. Well, they do seem to be excited by these as much as they are by dentistry, so that's a good sign. So let's hopefully they'll be effective in keeping their breath nice and clean and the teeth nice and sparkly. So hope you guys enjoy them. So I was trying to record the cover of the packaging of the Woof brushes for this video, and here's what happened next. Yeah, Scout, we're looking at you.